We're studying IGCSE mathematics and we're starting vectors 5 practice. I hope this is the 5th class. But yeah, so practice. Now start. Should I read the question?
Okay. So the diagram and then OPQR is a rectangle and O is the origin. M is the midpoint of RQ and PT. No, M is the midpoint of RQ and PT is the ratio of PT and TQ is 2:1. And OP is equal to P and OR is equal to R. Find in terms of P and or R in its simplest form the vector of MQ, the vector of MT, and the vector of OT.
OT, that's wonderful. Okay, how do we solve a question like this? Manvi, I want the answer from you in your notebook, and Shrey, I want the answer for these 3 parts right now. So hurry up.
Yeah.
Now, Anas, work with me on the board. Look at part A1. How do we solve this question? Now, first, in the question, you'll see things like this, a midpoint and ratio thing. Whenever you get something like this, M is midpoint of something, and PT, TQ is a ratio, you need to realize that if M is the midpoint, then anything here is half, and this is half. So Rm is half of RQ. Is that clear?
Okay. Yes.
How do we understand this? Because see, this is the midpoint. You're dividing it in, making it half. Now, next thing, what we can realize is that PT and TQ are,
Isn't RM like more further away from RQ?
No, it's the same. It may look like that, but it's the same. M is the midpoint. Okay. So now we look at PT, TQ. What does this mean? Read this part. I want you to read this out loud.
PT, TQ equals to 1.
2, 1. It's a 2:1. That's a ratio, right? Ratio of 2:1. That means that PT must be 2 and QT must be 1. So let's say, and how do I know what is this? It's not just 2. It's what we'll do next is we'll add this up. Let's say what is 2 plus 1? 3. This must be 2 over 3. This must be 1 over 3. Because this must make 1. 1 plus 3 plus 2 over 3 makes 1. So we're dividing this whole thing into 2 parts. This part and this part.
Okay.
Same thing here. Okay, that's done. Next, what is the first question, read? MQ.
Find in terms of P and or R in its simplest form. MQ.
Okay. So you tell me, you have MQ here. How do we find MQ? First, tell me what is, see, this is a rectangle, right? So the opposite sides are always the same. So if OP is P, then what is RQ?
RQ is P.
RQ is P.
Yep.
So what is MQ?
MQ is,
if OP is equals to RQ, okay? And we know that MQ is half of RQ.
yeah.
And I know that OP was P. So this must also be half P.
Yes.
Write this
So
in your
the answer-
notebook. Yeah.
Half.
So the answer,
That's
half.
half P.
Half P, yes.
Okay.
So if this guy is P, right? So the whole thing is also P. Then what that means is that half of P is half P. Okay. Should I, Manvi, any doubts in this?
No, it's pretty easy.
No.
Pretty
Yeah,
easy,
I
yeah?
solved.
Solved it.
I
Now,
wrote P by 2. Is that fine?
yeah, same
P
thing.
by 2.
Same thing. P by 2. Now, what is the answer for MT and OT?
I'm currently doing it. Can you remove the highlighter thing?
Yeah.
The pen?
This one?
Okay, yeah.
So we're doing empty now.
That's helpful.
All right. Anas. Shreya, what is the answer for empty?
I'm actually doing it right now. 1 second.
Okay, do it. Anas, work with me on the board. Now, how do we find empty? Anas, first thing first, we need to know what is empty. Where is empty, Anas?
So empty is like M and then T is below Q.
This one? The
Yeah.
red guy? Okay. Now, how do I go from M to T? Is there any other way to go from M to T?
Yes, there are like 2 more ways. 3 more
Tell me.
ways.
Three more
Can you-
ways, yeah. Take the shortest one. Which is that?
Shortest one. Okay.
Yeah. So should I go from yeah, that way? So it would be like this. Okay, good. Then
It goes
Then
down.
where? Downwards. Okay, remove your arrow. Just a second. Yep.
What do I do?
Like this.
Yes.
That's it. Okay, good. So now what we have to find is what is MQ. So what I can write MT must be equals to MQ plus QT. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what was MQ? Half P.
Q was half P.
And we saw that previously that QT was 1/3. What is the ratio? The ratio that they divided PQ and PT was 2:1.
Won't it be minus 1/3?
It will be, but we're just looking at what is the division right now. We're not looking at the vector. The vector will be negative because it's going downwards, opposite direction. Okay, I'll get to that. Now, Anas, look over here. We had 1:2, yes? Anas.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, if I had 1:2, then what is the total of 1 and 2? 3. So this is 1/3, and this
1 by
is
3.
2/3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do
And now you tell
1
me.
by P plus 1/3.
1/3 what? Of what, right? Look over here. What is QOR? Same, the opposite side. What is OR?
What is the opposite same side?
So what is that? Which vector is this? Read the name.
R.
R. So if OR is
1 by
R,
3.
1/3 R. Yes. So if this whole thing is R, then this must be 2/3 R. This must be 1/3 R. But there's a problem here. What is the problem? Is R going upwards or downwards?
Upwards.
And is QT downwards or upwards?
Downwards. So we write minus R.
Minus 1/3 R. Okay. So minus 1/3 R. That's your answer for the second one. Any doubts here?
That's it. No.
Yeah,
Okay, I'm sending you the answers on WhatsApp. I'm done with the third one as well.
That's perfect. Manvi, I want your answer as well. Now, Anas, look at OT. How do I go to OT?
Okay, you could use that line, the
In the middle one. So
constant.
first step, we use this right here. First, we mark what is OT. This is OT. Now, what is the way to go to? What ways are there to go to OT?
You could go from OP to PT.
OP to PT. Fine. So what is OP?
OP is P. 1/2. Oh wait, OP is P.
OP is P. And what is PT?
PT 2/3 R.
2/3. Is it negative 2/3 R?
Minus 2/3.
Minus? No, but no,
2/3.
it won't be minus. Why? Because we're going from PT to upwards. Now, is OR upwards or downwards?
Upwards.
So it's the same direction. So we don't make minus. Is that
Okay.
clear?
So that's the Yeah.
That's the answer. P plus 2/3 R.
Yeah.
Fine. Now I'm looking at the others answers. Just a
B.
second.
So are we
Anas?
doing D?
Yeah, we're doing good. You should start doing this.
Okay.
Okay. P plus 2/3 R. P/2 minus R/3. Yeah. So this Manvi, your answers are correct.
Wait, I
Shreya,
don't see any U in there.
3/3 P. Yeah, that's correct. Yes, that's correct. Yes, that's correct. All right. Shreya, Manvi, your answers are correct. Both of you.
Thank you.
That's Shreya's answer, and this is Manvi. Now start doing part B. Chop chop. Right, yeah.
There's a part B. I
Yes.
couldn't see it once.
Why don't we read the question?
RQ and OT are extended to meet at U. Find the position vector of U in terms of P and R. Give
Okay,
your
position
answer in
vector.
its simplest form.
Simplest form.
Yeah.
Okay. Position vector. Now,
So
what is a
position
position vector?
vector is usually from O. O is
From
the
origin.
origin.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
from
from
origin.
origin. Yeah.
Right. Good. Okay. Now our job over
But
here is
what is the origin over here?
O. It's always O. Okay.
Okay.
Let's. I'm going to show you the same question again. Just a second.
Wait, so do we have to like physically extend it and then
Yes.
like
Physically extended.
with
And how do
the
we do that? Like
scale
this.
and all that?
No, we just make a straight line here with a scale. Make a straight line like
Yeah,
this.
no, like the proportions. I'm saying the proportions.
No, when you make a straight line, they will intersect somewhere. It doesn't matter what
Yeah.
proportion. Yeah.
No, but to find the position vector, you want the proportions, right?
Ah, all right. In that way. Hmm. Let me see. I think you will. Yeah. You'll have to use a scale here. Okay. You'll have to get the proportion exactly as per scale. Now, you can guess, right? You can guess by looking at it, but I would not prefer that. So you get a scale, okay? Over here, get a scale first and check out how much is QP. Or this let's mark this point. Let's say X. Okay. Now we're looking at what are they looking at? Position vector of U. Okay, they meet at U. This is U. They're asking us what is U? This line from here to here. That is U. P and R.
Okay.
Okay. Now our job here is to find what is OU, right? Because the position vector of U basically means OU. So how can I go from O to U? What ways are there?
There is only one way, I think.
There's no ways. No, you can go like this. You can go upwards and like this. You can go straight like this. You can go like this, then this. All of those are possible. But it's your choice. I'm writing the things which you need here. These are, this is half B, half B. Okay. Now, how do I know how much is QU and how much is TU? Right? Now that depends on if you use a scale, you will realize by using a scale. Let's take our scale here. This is the scale here, okay? You will realize that both the points M and U are exactly at the same distance. Okay, you will realize that MQ is the same as U, QU.
Okay.
So if I realize that this is also MQ, now what was MQ? Half
P 1 by 2 P. So that
1
will
by
be
2.
1 by 2 P as well.
1 by 2P. Now, Anas, do you understand why this is 1 by 2P?
But I don't get. So are we supposed to like draw on the paper in the exam and then find out?
Yes, that's what that's what they're
Okay.
saying. Yeah, extended. Yeah. Now the next thing is TU. Now what will TU be? Well, I don't need to know what TU is because I can take this route directly. This route, then go upwards. Just a second. Let's say I take this route, go upwards, and then go right. That is still OU. Yes, Anas? Is that a way to go from O to U?
Yes.
Yes, because it doesn't matter. You can go like this as well. Your choice.
Yeah.
So, okay. Now, if I go like this, what is OU? Tell me. We'll have to add all of these up.
Wait.
First,
How?
so we'll see that OU should be, what is the first part? OT? So OU must be OT plus, now what is the next part?
OT plus TO. No,
TQ.
TQ.
And plus
Plus QU.
QU. Now I know what QU is, I know what OT is. Did we find OT? We found it in the last question.
Yes.
OT was
OT is plus 2 by 3R. P plus 2 by 3R.
P plus 2 by 3 R. Yes, P plus 2 by 3 R. Okay, plus what is TQ?
TQ is TQ 1 by 3R.
1 by 3 R. And what is QU?
QU is 1 half P.
Half P. So the answer is
Wait, I'm gonna write this. So what do we do? Do we add all these?
add all these, yes.
Do we also add like PR and stuff?
Yeah, you have to add P with P. So add the common
Okay,
things.
okay.
Yeah.
Common thing.
Algebra. Manvi, your answer?
I did not understand how to do it.
Okay, no problem. Shreya, your answer. We'll discuss. All right, just a second, Anna. Say the answer again. What is the answer?
The answer is 3 by 2P plus 1R.
Plus R. We don't say 1R. That's correct. Yep.
Okay.
So understood how to do all of this?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll fill it in. So the three parts are here. Now just take this guy. Yeah. Now, Manvi, let's discuss this. Okay. Let's first thing first.
Yeah.
Talk to me now. Am I recording? Yes, I'm recording. Now, Anas, can you explain how we solve this question?
Which one?
This one, the last one, part B. We had to find OU.
So we just find a way to go to OU.
Okay, but how do you know? Read the question. The question tells us that you have to, they are extended to meet you. Okay. Okay, let me do the explaining now. Now, Manvi, listen. What's happening is we are going from OU, right? We have to find OU. And what is this point U? U is when I extend RQ and OT, they will meet at a point called U. Is that clear? So you have to extend it yourself with a pencil, with a scale, in a straight line. And after you extend it, you will realize that MQ and QU are exactly the same length. Okay? Now that is the only way to solve this, because if you look at the ratio here, they're exactly the same. So if MQ is half P, then QU must also be half P. Then you'll ask me, what is TU? Well, the thing is, we don't have to care about TU. Well, it is same as MT. Yeah, it is the same as MT, but we don't know MT. Did we find MT? Well, we did find MT actually.
No.
We did.
Okay, yeah.
So we could have also used TU. We knew what MT was. We could have also done TU. Now, the thing is, all you have to do is find a way from O to reach U. There's any way possible, right? You can go from
So
here to here.
basically, MTU would be an isosceles triangle, right?
Yes. MTU. Yes. Isosceles triangle. Okay. You'll find if you check the angles, will also be the same.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what is important here is that all you have to do is find a way to get from O to U. You could have done OP plus PT plus TU as well. Both of these will work. Or even OR plus RM plus RQ plus
Yeah.
QU. Done. All of those work. Any questions? I'm going to give you a similar question to this. Again, let's try. Now, the next question is on your board. Do it. Hurry up. Q1. This. This right here is P, Q, R, S, T, U. This is 3:1. Or I'll just tell you that PS is and ST are 3:1. And Q is midpoint of RP. Yep. And the next thing you have to solve is this right here is let's say X, sorry, Y, and this right here is X. Now you have to find the first one is that the first part is find QS, and the second part is find extend QS and RU.
We put an arrow above the QS.
Yes, to reach point U. Point, let's say point M. Find position vector of M.
So we're trying to reach point M.
M and find the position of point M. Yeah.
Okay. QS and RU.
Manvi, can you do this? Share?
Wait, what's the U?
Yeah, there's no U. Okay, just a second. TO. QS and RO. RO.
Okay.
Okay.
And by
can
the
you
way,
please
X
tell me
is
which
yeah.
direction? Yeah.
Yeah,
What-
exactly. This is going downwards. Or actually,
Sir,
stop.
I sort of have an emergency, so I'll be leaving right now. It's really important. So you can just send, if you're only doing questions, you can just send me screenshots of the questions. Like I'll take a screenshot of this question number 1, and
Okay.
the other ones, if you could send me screenshots, that would be great. I'll do them, and then I'll send you the solutions as well.
Now the thing is, the main thing is now, Shrey, I don't think you'll have the time to do them, but you have the recording every day. Now you're getting recordings every day in GCR. So check the recording, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, and
fine.
I'll also send you the questions. No worries. Take care.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, I'm done with the first one.
Done with the first one.
It's y by 2 minus 3 by 4x.
Y by 2 minus 3 by 4x. 3 by 4x.
I think it's 3.
You have to find QS, huh? So QS
Wait.
should be
Never mind.
Y plus 3 by 4. Yeah, okay, so Mani, what was the
Then
answer?
how am I supposed to do 1 by 2 y minus 3 by 4x? But how am I
Yeah.
supposed to do the second one if I can't draw it?
Yeah, okay. I'll draw it for you then. Just a second.
And can you also measure it because this diagram is not to scale?
It is. So you
wait.
just realize that. Okay, just need to realize that these guys are congruent triangles. Does that help? PQS, PQS, and
Can I
yes, Anas,
wait? You can explain that. I'll ask you later.
MQR are congruent. So what that really means that
So
yeah.
M and Q is equal to MQ is equal to QS.
Yeah, same. So the sides, the corresponding sides are equal.
Wait, so I thought you were supposed to do it like this. So from S to O. I thought it was supposed to be like that.
How? Show it to me on the board.
Like that.
Use the draw function.
Can you see it?
No, you have to go from. You have to find M, not like that. Why? Because you're asked to find the position vector of M, and you have to extend QS and RO, right, to meet.
Okay.
Let's say to meet at point M. So if you extend these guys, the where they intersect is actually your R, your M.
Okay.
First, tell me, Anas, what is the answer for the QS?
I'm still doing it right now.
Still do it.
So
QS is y by 2 minus 3 by 4x.
And man, where you supposed to say that?
So do we do QP plus PS?
Yes, you do QP plus PS.
Okay.
Now you have to do this on your own, Anas. And all of you, I just want the answer in the chat only. Okay, unless we're discussing, because it is important to be able to do the questions on your own. Because in the exam, you'll have these questions. You'll have to think on your own. Now, quick, hurry up. We have another question to solve. You have exactly 1 minute left to solve this question.
I think the time is
Okay,
up.
I didn't get the second one, but I did get the first one.
First one, okay. We didn't get the second one. Now, how do I find QS? So go from Q to P to S, right? These two ways. Now, what is QP? We can go like this. So first we go like this. So 1/2 P, 1/2 Y plus minus. Okay, so this, I know that this guy is 3:1. And the total is 4, so 3/4.
Yeah, so it's 3/4 minus 3/4x.
Minus 3/4x, right? Anas, you're able to solve these questions? Understand?
Yes.
Yeah, good. Now that's done. Now we're trying to find what is OM. That's the position vector of M. Position vector of M is always from origin to that point M. Now I know that these guys are congruent. So that QS must be same as QM. And that PS must be same as
QS.
MR. Okay. So PS must be same as MR. So basically, this is X plus or OR plus RM. Yeah. OR plus RM. Fine. Now I know that OR is X. Okay. What is RM? I know that RM is the same as PS, but in the opposite direction. This guy is going in the opposite direction. So the answer will be 3 over 4x. Any doubts?
No. So is it 1?
The answer is X. No, wait.
Wait.
No,
it's not
not right. It's going to be 7
7
out
by
of
4. 7 by 4.
yeah, X. Is that clear, both of you?
Yes.
Now I'm giving you another question. Start. What is 2m minus 3n? Anas, on your notebook.
2m minus 3n.
I'm solving it with you guys. Let's see who's doing it faster. If you're doing it much slower than me, then there's something wrong with your speed. You have to hurry up. Now 2m minus 3n. This is what the answer is.
Is it 2n minus 3n? Because the variables are different, right?
What it's going to be 2m minus 3n. This is n.
Oh, multiplied. Okay.
Yeah, multiplied. Yes. So 6 over 4 minus 6 over minus 9. So the answer will be 0 and minus 5. Done. Next part. What is the magnitude of this? So I know that 2m minus 3n is equals to 0 minus 5. How do I find the magnitude? Use the
You
formula
just,
for magnitude. I think there's a mistake here.
Isn't it like the absolute value?
Yeah, it
So
is the
you
absolute
just
value. Yes, it is. It
So
is.
you just got the positive number.
The positive number. Yeah. So this will be just a second. Give me a second. 2m 3 2 6 4 minus 3 minus 2. Okay, yeah, this will become plus. $12 minus 5. So 12 squared plus minus 5 squared. The answer will be 144 plus 25. That will be 13. Manvi, check your answers.
Yeah, I'm checking.
Do you understand how to solve a question like this?
Me?
Yeah, do you understand how to solve a question like
Yeah.
this? All you have to
Wait,
do
are you
is
about A1 and 2?
A1 and 2.
X square
Yeah.
plus y square root over, right?
Yes.
But then what does that give us exactly? Like, what is that?
That's the length of the vector. Right? This is the same equation as the length of a straight line. So, length of a vector.
Okay. So
Or
it's the same as y is equal to mx plus c.
No, it's not the same. Not in that sense. We'll look at that afterwards. But right now, all you need to realize is if you want to find the magnitude of a vector, or the size or length of a vector, the magnitude, to be exact, the magnitude, you have to use this formula. So if I have, let's say, AB, then the formula is a square plus b square under root. Is that clear? We get this from Pythagoras theorem, by the way, because a square plus b square is c square. So what is
Can I go-
c? Yes, Anas?
Can I go pray because the time is about to?
Yes. All right. Yeah. All right. So the class, just before you leave, just a second. Take a screenshot of the homework. This is the homework. I need it done by today.
That by today. Okay.
Part B.
All right, done.
Done. Now you have to finish it after you return from Sarah and send it to me. Manvi, take a screenshot as well.
I'll submit it by
Yeah.
8:30.
All right. Take a screenshot, Manvi, and do it right now and send it to me. Okay, homework.
Right.
Or to be exact, after class work. Yep. So because you're not solving
Yeah,
it
I'll
after
do it.
2-3 hours, you have to solve it right now if you can. That's all for today. Now, if there's anyone interested in studying maths, please ask them out. Yep.
Sure.
I have a nice
Take care.
day.
Goodbye.
Yes.